Dana, Uайt, I gotta say something.
Where are you from?
From Tajikistan.
Okay, yeah.
And we have a best fighter from Tajikistan, Muhammad Naimov.
Okay, yeah.
The best fighter, yeah.
Okay.
We support him so much. He's very humble guy. He's the best guy. So we just want to, put him on the top of something,
Yeah, is that the guy that they fill stadiums like to watch the fights out there? Is that the guy you're talking about?
Muhammad Naimov. Dana, what?
A what?
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't know him.
Yep. This has to be the kid that I'm talking about. Yeah.
Oh, this is the one you're talking about?
Yeah. Fill stadiums out there when he fights people.
One day we come he's the best guy. He's really good guy. And all Tajikistan people, they love you. They love you so much. Back in Tajikistan, Central Asia, everybody respect you. Everybody know you. All these guys support this guy, and he's my best friend.
Thank you.
Thank you
I
so
appreciate
much.
it. All right.
Just keep it in mind. Thank you so much. You're very humble guy.
Be safe.
We love
Have
you so
fun.
much.
Later, brother.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.